The other thing that I like is my Rousseau. You can see the name, Rousseau. Fold out the legs, stand it up, set the saw right down in the holders, and this part that is my takeout outfeed table that I made. Rousseau makes one, but it's about 4 inches thick when it's stowed, so I didn't really like that. And I can adjust the height simply by hinging that in or out to raise and lower this end. And they have a fence, works really well, and it's a nice 2-inch fence, so high enough to feed most of your material through there. And again, I make my tools, or adapt what tools I've got, to be as efficient as possible, space saving as possible, and fast to tear down and set up. So you can see this whole thing is only 1.5 inches thick, including the stowed leg. So I simply have a piece of scribe molding or edge trim here, and that hooks right on the edge of the table stand. And then this just folds out. I've got a piano hinge right there. This is my table saw stand made by Rousseau, and then I made the outfeed table out of oak plywood. Oak is a little coarse, so if I had it to do over again, I'd probably either use melamine surface. My work would slide a little better on. I'll probably put a couple more coats of clear coat, whether it's polyurethane or lacquer or whatever, to make it slide a little easier. My material needs to slide a little bit easier than it does. But overall, I'm very pleased with both my table saw setup and my miter stand, which I use all the time. So until next time.